Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Avax once again. Thank you for support, okay? Thank you, honestly. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for sharing the content, and thank you for subscription, okay? So if you're not following me on Twitter, do definitely head in and get involved in Twitter and the Patreon and Telegram and Discord and all that, yeah? Because I do post content on there. I can't always make videos and updates. So I'm doing a video update for Avax because I've had so many questions and so many requests for it. You know, it's been one of them altcoin gems that I gave you way back in August when I seen it breaking out and forming the buy and go to the beach signal, and it's done really, really well since that point, okay? So I'm just giving you a quick update. But yeah, please definitely head over to Twitter, get involved in a Patreon. All the links are on CoinsKid.com and in each and every single video description, okay? So I did post this, I think a few days ago, about 3 days ago on Twitter. Someone says, can you do me an update on Avalanche? And I says, I will, but I'm obviously busy, so I'll try and get a little post out. And as you can see, we was coming up the stairs just there. I think we was trading around about $117. And obviously you're working through the fibs here. You can see that you ran into the 1272 101, started to coil up, create some kind of bullish continuation pattern, potentially ascending triangle if you zoom in on the 4 hour, and you can see you're broken out and you're attacking the 1414. And I said in the tweet here, I says, look, you potentially, you know, Avax is walking, or Avax or Avax, however you want to say it, Avalanche, working through the fibs. There was resistance at the 1272. Avax got through it. Expect resistance at the 1414 at $133, and Avalanche may fall back to the 1272 at that point for support. So my target for many moons since we broke out way down there, I think it was August or towards the end of August, wasn't it, or late July, I think, is the 1618 at $195. So that's been my target for so long. So take a look at the charts here. So basically this has been one of the best little altcoins that I've given you, okay? As well as Solana, because way back there when we had this whopping correction, everyone was really bearish. I said to you, look, you're creating a beautiful double bottom pattern here. You're starting to come up and you create this buy and go to the beach on the daily, like rocking or shit, basically after a whopping correction. You're coming down in a falling wedge. You're going to retrace to each level of contact, and you did exactly that, and you absolutely bolted out here, and this has just kept going, okay? Obviously it's been a bit bumpy. You've put in some falling wedges along the way, which are continuation patterns, basically, you know, come back to a key level of support before breaking out in continuation. So you can see here, just like I put in the tweet, you ran into the 1272, and right now you have come up and you are running into the 1414. Do you see that? So there is a bit of a resistance there. So if you do continue to hit your head there, I would imagine you're going to come back down to the 1272, get a little wick down on the 20 as well, and at that point offer a fantastic entry point, because I do think you'll look at continuation, and you could be looking at a beautiful little long up of around about 90% up to the 1618 at $195, okay? Which I gave you these technical targets, all of these technical targets. Once you broke out here, you've broken out this W bottom, and you can see you've created the buy and go to the beach signal from there. So at the moment, this particular project from that signal is up a whopping 784%, with a projection to go around about 1,253%. So that was an absolute altcoin gem that I gave you just there, okay? So that's basically Avax. It's doing really well. It's breaking out. It's doing well. You know, it's not going too parabolic. You can see this sort of verticalness there, and you can see when this went vertical, what did it do? It slowed down, consolidated, created a beautiful falling wedge, broke out again, consolidated, falling wedge, broke out, broke a kilo resistance just there, essentially a big cup and handle pattern as well. You're broken out, and look, you run into the resistance of the fibs, so you're conforming, okay? So for me, if you do fail here to break this 1414 at 133, put some cheeky bids on a 1272 at 101, where I do think you'll be fruitful for the continuation and eventually get into that $195 here for Avax in this bull run, okay? So that's basically a little update for you on Avax. Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.